Welcome back. Continuing to work on INSGEN's Magic Shack. Last time we worked on these two little file boxes. And we also worked on these two books, a music book and a flower book. We also worked on this little basket with a picture, newspaper, and one of our books in it that we made. We worked on this picture frame sitting with a little tree in it. And we also did these two hanging pictures. Everything's adorable. We'll just lay all that aside. We're getting quite the collection again. This time we're going to work on this. It looks like a chimney top, but I'm not so sure. But it's definitely brick looking. First we have to put together this piece here with the brick paper, and then we'll be gluing on some of our components already. First we need G23 and G22 and G24 out of the wood. And here's our G's. Here we go. G22, G23, G24 right here. So those and this. I'm going to glue my letters and such inside. And these are glued on top of G22. And we'll move on and work on this guy. He's cute. Here's our finished picture. We need E1, E2, E3, E4, and E5. This is E1 here. 2, 3, E4 is this one. And E5 is this. So now we want to glue these pieces together. You want the bigger section down here at the bottom. These go on the outside of the base, not inside, outside. This is 3 and 4. 4 is wider than 3. 4 goes down here at the bottom. Next we need E6, E7, E8, and E9. Here's E6, E7, E8, and E9. Okay, so now we're going to glue these pieces, 6, 7, 8, and we want to make sure those holes are towards the center, and 9 on. Now we need J31 and J32. J31 are these little gold end caps, and J32 are the little gold beads. And we need 5 of each. There are some bigger gold beads in here. These are bigger. This desk gets gold beads, and they are calling them J32, but I think the bigger gold beads would look better on there. So we'll try to separate these a bit. So here's 5 of the little ones. So we need 5 of these, and these are J31. Five of those. We'll put these bigger ones back in. So we glue down J31 and then glue the little gold bead on top. So cute. Okay, how about we set this aside and let it dry a little bit, and then come back to this later after we complete this. Back to what we originally started with. We want to glue 1-34 around this. I am going to start mine halfway in the back. And put some creases in. Okay. Now we need to find some books and a candlestick. Okay, here's our little bowl of fruit, yellow fruit, and our magnifying glass, and one of our candlesticks, and several books, 2-15. I'm going to have to look at which books these are. It's actually one of our little box books that we did at the very beginning. So we need that. And we need 2-13. That was also one of the first ones we did, a little box book. And that's The Poems by T.S. Eliot. We need 2-14, which is the other first box book we did. It has a woman on. Now I guess we're just going to glue them on here. There we go. That got cute. We'll set that to the side. And come back here. This should be better now. More dry. And on here we want J25, which is this cute little blue flower. We need our little, almost looks like a perfume bottle that we did earlier. It's an S on it, believe it or not. It's not telling me these other books. There's the picture in there, the one we just made. Here's his picture. I'm going to have to figure out which books these are. I believe, okay, this box of books. So this box of books was 2-7. This is 2-7. That goes in here. We have a single book. I think I'll write these down. So this is 2-7. And this book, I think it's this one. It looks like it. This is 1-26. That looks like that spine. That goes in here along with this picture. They don't have any of this labeled. We've got some other parchments to roll up. We also have 2 more books and this box, this gray box, which was 1-31. So this is 1-31. That goes in here. And these 2 things and 2 more books. I'll look at the spines. Here we go. This is one of the books. It's the guitar book. And that is book 1-9. So this is book 1-9. And that goes in here. That's this one. And one more book. The only book that even looks remotely like that is this book. The book with the hearts on it. I believe that's it. And that book is 1-7. So there's the books we need. Okay. And we need 114, 115, and 116. They are in this bigger hunk that's still together, 14, 15, and 16. So let's cut them out. Okay, now we have all our pieces. Let's start gluing them in. So there we have it. Looks really cute. We just need to let it dry. Okay, so we did that. And this part, can't give you the piece numbers right now. There were so many. But this, I don't know what this is. It looks like a chimney top, but I guess it's a table. And then we got this cabinet. It got really cute. Well, thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.